This is Learn Liberty English.
Here are the do's and don'ts of business meetings. In this video, we will look at imperative verbs. First, be punctual. If you are late, apologize.
I'm so sorry for being late.
Dress professionally and take the meeting seriously. Mute yourself. This is when using computers in virtual meetings. Always arrive prepared.
Ready to begin?
Don't smoke. Many people in America today don't smoke, especially indoors. Don't use your phone. If you get a phone call, don't answer it. Don't eat or drink. Don't be distracted. Speakers know when you're not paying attention. And finally,
Wait a minute.
don't interrupt others. This is considered rude. Let people finish speaking before you make your point. What do you think? Do you agree with the list? Give us your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.